ទោះបីគាត់មិនមែនជាខ្មែរប៉ុន្តែគាត់ស្ពាយទង់ជាតិខ្មែរដោយសារតែគាត់ស្អប់សង្គ្រាមហើយការឈ្លានពាននេះគាត់ដឹងច្បាស់ថាខ្មែរមិនចង់បានទេថៃជាអ្នកចាប់ផ្ដើមសង្គ្រាមហើយសន្ធាប់ទៅលើខ្មែរចូលក្នុងទឹកដីខ្មែររាប់សិបគីឡូម៉ែត្រសម្រាប់គាត់បាននិយាយថាសូមអន្តរជាតិសហគមន៍អន្តរជាតិមកមើលហើយមកមើលប្រទេសកម្ពុជាថាយ៉ាងណាខ្មែរយើងគឺតែងតែស្របទៅតាមច្បាប់អន្តរជាតិហើយគ្រប់គ្រងការដោះស្រាយរបស់សហគមន៍អន្តរជាតិប៉ុន្តែសៀមទេដែលជាអ្នកបដិសេធគាត់ដឹងច្បាស់មែនទែនតែម្ដងយ៉ាងណាសង្គ្រាមមិនបានផ្ដល់អ្វីដល់ខ្មែរទេគឺមានតែភាពហិនហោចសំបីតែថៃក៏ដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែយ៉ាងណាមហិច្ឆតាអ្នកនយោបាយថៃគឺពិតជាឃ្លានសង្គ្រាមដើម្បីតែអំណាចបងប្អូនហើយបាទគាត់ដឹងច្បាស់មែនតើថាខ្មែរយើងមិនមានបញ្ហានយោបាយអីទេចឹងហើយយើងត្រូវការតែសន្តិភាពតែប៉ុណ្ណោះទើបគាត់ចូលរួមជាមួយខ្មែរដើរដើម្បីស្វែងរកសន្តិភាពដើរដើម្បីឲ្យពិភពលោកដឹងថាខ្មែរយើងប្រជាជនខ្មែរយើងពិតជាត្រូវការសន្តិភាពសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូននឹងជួយ share វីដេអូនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាឲ្យពិភពលោកបានដឹងព្រោះគាត់ជាបរទេសគាត់និយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសទៅប្រាប់ពិភពលោកថាយើងមិនចង់បានសង្គ្រាមនោះទេ
kilometers inside the country. It is not a border dispute anymore. It is an invasion. So I did not start this situation being biased. I was 50-50. I even said to my friends, I said, I'm staying out of this. This is not my war. But it's become very clear. It's very, very, very clear. The aggression is coming from Thailand. Whatever their political situation is, whatever their political ambitions are, the Cambodian people and the Cambodian lives are not worth their political ambitions.
Okay, and the last one, can you talk?
What I can say to the international community is that, over the last 2 years, we've seen, international law and humanity being degraded across the world. And, what we see here is another example of that. So what we need from the international community and what the international community needs to do in general is to realign, a peace protest, a call for peace is not a political statement. It's a human statement. And at the end of the day, I think internationally, we need to remember what it means to be human. And the international community needs to send in whatever they need, whether it's satellites to review the situation, whether it's independent observers, that's fine. Cambodia welcomes all of them. So international community, you can't just turn a blind eye to this anymore. Whether it's in Cambodia, whether it's in Gaza, whether it's in Sudan, whether it's whoever, it's time for the international community to stop sitting behind desks and send people support. What can I say? Transparency is what changes everything. So send everybody, come, look, see the truth for yourselves.
Okay, I thank you.